Costly efforts to remove a boring machine stuck underground at Old Mill Drive near Bloor Street are coming to an end today.
Let's check in with CB24's Courtney Hales live along Old Mill Drive. And Courtney, we understand this is the hour when we should be seeing some activity behind you.
Yeah, the hour has arrived, guys, and I can tell you some crews are starting to fire up the machines behind me. I just checked in with crews. They're telling me this should take about an hour. Obviously, we have to just wait and see how this plays out this morning. I'll step out of the way and show you live where we are. So that's the crane you're looking at here. You mentioned we're along Old Mill Drive near Bloor. This all happened back in March of 2022. So at that time, they had crews here. They brought in this microtunnel boring machine to try and build a storm sewer. This was to help alleviate some of the frequent basement flooding residents here are dealing with. Then a month later, though, that machine became trapped in steel tiebacks. So these are wires that are buried during the pre-build process for nearby condos. In this area, there's at least 2 condos here that have gone up fairly recently. So the machine became tangled in the wires, and I want to show you now a picture provided to us from the city. You really get a sense of how messy it is underground here. You can see the machine tangled in those tiebacks. As for the total cost of this, bringing the tail end of the machine out, it's hard to say. We know the city will have a final cost eventually, but we've heard estimates as high as $25 million. But the priority right now is to get the machine above ground. What I was just told is that the actual work is a little bit closer to Bloor. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to pack up our gear and move a little bit closer. We can only get so close because of safety, but we're hoping to be able to show the machine coming out of the ground closer to Bloor Street where it is underground. So we're going to capture that for you live. And we're also hearing there is going to be an update from the city on this whole process in just the next couple of minutes. So stand by. We'll bring that to you, of course, when it happens, and probably some pretty interesting pictures as this micro tunnel boring machine is lifted. Over to you.